Hi guys, today I'm planting out my watermelons. I'm trying to go no-till in my garden, but I can't seem to get away from tilling my watermelon planting area. If you've been watching my videos for a while and you've watched me plant anything, you know that I have really heavy clay soil. So I do like to break this area up with the tiller and then dig it deep with my fork because watermelons do like loose soil. In the fall, I cover my entire garden in leaves, including this area, and I tilled in those leaves last night. But I am going to throw some more on here just to attract worms to the area. I'm going to be adding some compost to the soil, some blood meal, since watermelons really need that nitrogen to grow big healthy vines. And I'm adding some granular fertilizer. A couple of months ago, I did spread some aged chicken manure over this entire area, and that's all been tilled in. Next, I'm covering the entire planting area with landscape fabric. Black really soaks up the heat, keeps the plants warm, and watermelons really like to be warm. Not only does it keep the watermelon vines warm, it also blocks weeds from growing into your watermelon patch. If you've ever grown watermelons, then you know that they're huge vines and you really can't be walking in the area that your watermelons are in because you risk crushing vines and everything else. Watermelons are heavy feeders and you really do not want watermelons having to compete with weeds for nutrients and water. And now it's finally time to plant. I'm gonna cut a hole with my scissors. I can't find my trowel today, so I'm just gonna dig this soil out with my hands. And when you plant the watermelons, try not to disturb the roots too much because they do not like their roots being disturbed. They're not like tomatoes and peppers where you can just rip them apart and plant them and they'll be fine. Since it's really hot outside, I do need to water these every couple of days just until they get established. Once they're established and start vining out a little bit, I won't have to water them as often. I do get a lot of rain here. If you live somewhere arid, you might have to water them more than I do. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of my watermelons planted out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.